Hi guys, you're watching Dainik Savera Presents Fit with Jen. I'm your host and trainer Jennifer and welcome to our brand new 3-month COVID recovery program. Corona has taken its toll. With millions falling sick every day, nobody knows when this pandemic will end. अगर आपने भी मेरी तरह कोरोना को फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस किया है तो आप जानते हैं कि ये बैटल आसान नहीं है। ठीक होने के बाद भी ब्रेथलेसनेस एंड फटीग जैसी कई प्रॉब्लम्स हमारा साथ नहीं छोड़ती। After all, your body goes through a lot trying to survive. कोरोना रिकवरी प्रोग्राम है आपका वन स्टॉप सोल्यूशन टू फिक्स ऑल दीज प्रॉब्लम्स। ये सिंपल टू फॉलो रेजिमेन स्पेसिफिकली डिजाइन किया गया है उन लोगों के लिए जो कोरोना से ठीक होने के बाद भी ठीक नहीं है। इजी टू फॉलो, स्लो एंड कंट्रोल्ड बॉडी मूवमेंट से ये प्रोग्राम आपके स्टैमिना को वापस लाने में मदद करेगा। Breathing exercises will improve lung capacity, leaving you feeling stronger and better. Let's get started. So guys, रोज की तरह आज का वर्कआउट भी हम शुरू करेंगे कुछ सिंपल बॉडी वेट मूवमेंट्स के साथ ताकि आपकी बॉडी प्रॉपर्ली वार्म अप हो सके। ये सभी मूवमेंट्स आप सिटिंग या स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में कर सकते हैं एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस। आज की हमारी फर्स्ट मूवमेंट है एल्बो सर्कल्स। Take your fingertips and place them on your shoulders. Lift your elbows up and together. Make big circles and touch your elbows together every time. 8 circles in one direction, 8 circles in the opposite direction. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is our arm and shoulder stretch. Interlock your fingers, take a deep breath in, lift up, holding your position, breathe out as you drop down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and out. Let's perform 8 repetitions. And relax. Coming up next, guys, scapular retractions. It's a little bit technical, so pay attention. Make sure that you're sitting comfortably, spine erect, shoulders relaxed. Breathe out as you extend your arms in front of you, stretching the shoulders back, making sure that your shoulder blades are away from each other. You'll feel the stretch in your back. Take a deep breath in. And keeping your elbows close to your torso, bring your shoulder blades together. Breathe out as you extend. Breathe in as you pull them together. 8 repetitions again. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is our hand and wrist movements. So what we're doing now is called claw to fist. Arms stretched out in front of you and tighten your fingers to make a claw and close your fingers to make a fist. Open your fingers, make a claw, close them and make a fist. 8 repetitions again. relax. So guys, coming up next is a few neck movements, starting with neck left to right. And relax. Up next, head tilts over to the right shoulder and over to the left. And relax. Up next, guys, head nods. Breathe in as you lift your chin up. Breathe out as you drop your chin in toward the chest. Relax. Coming up next, guys, is cross-legged good mornings. So take your right ankle, place it over your left thigh. Make sure that your knee is pushed down towards the ground. Hands behind your head and keeping your back straight, breathe out as you bend as low as you can go. Come back in the starting position, breathe in, breathe out as you lower down, and breathe in, breathe out as you lower down, feeling the stretch in your right glute and right abductor. And relax. Let's repeat this movement on the other side, bringing your left ankle up and balancing it on your right thigh. Push your knee down, hands behind or on the side of your head, keeping your elbows open, back straight, breathe in, breathe out. And relax. Up next, guys, sit to stand. You'll need a bench or a chair to perform this movement. Make sure that your back is straight, ankles directly underneath your knees, and lift up and sit back down. Up and sit back down. Breathe out as you lift. Breathe in as you sit back down. Make sure that your back stays straight throughout the movement. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is sitting knee to elbow twists. Hands on the side of your head, elbows nice and open and back straight. Twist to tap the elbow to the knee. Repeat on alternate sides. and relax. So coming up next guys is standing calf lifts. As the name suggests, इसे हम करेंगे standing position में. Hands on the waist, feet as wide as your shoulders. Take a deep breath in and lift. And breathe out as you lower down. Breathe in as you lift, out as you drop. Let's perform 8 repetitions. And relax. So guys, finally आज की last movement है ankle rotations. Stretch your legs straight out in front of you, making sure that your knees are locked. इसको आप mat के ऊपर भी कर सकते हैं. You can do it sitting on the chair. Important thing is to make sure that your knees stay locked. And start making big circles with your ankles. Eight circles in one direction, then change your side and 8 circles in the opposite direction. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की warm up movements. I hope that you feel sufficiently warmed up. If not, you can always go ahead and repeat the circuit one more time. अब हम करेंगे आज के आसन्स. So guys, आज का हमारा first आसन है अर्ध उत्तान आसन, also known as standing half forward fold. इसे हम करेंगे standing position में. So stand with your feet as wide as your shoulders and make sure that you're comfortable. Take a deep breath in, keeping your back straight, lower down while keeping your legs locked until your back is parallel to the ground. Knees locked, back straight. Ardh Uttan Asan, also known as half forward fold. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Up. You'll feel a nice stretch in the back of your thighs and your glutes. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है उस्त्रासना, also known as the camel pose. इसे हम करेंगे starting on your knees, slightly apart, feet relaxed. Take a deep breath in as you drop your torso back and bring your hands to your heels. Breathe in and relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है सुप्त कपोट आसन, also known as supine pigeon. इसे हम करेंगे in the supine position, that is on your back. Lie down comfortably. Both the knees will stay bent. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh. Lift your left foot up. Thread your hands through the thigh, pulling your left thigh in toward yourself. Hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds. Keep your right knee pushed out. It's a very good glute stretch. relax. Let's repeat the same asana on the other side. Bring your left ankle up, crossing. Thread your hands, pulling your right thigh in. And relax. So guys, आज का हमारा आखिरी आसन है अर्धभेकासना, also known as the half frog pose. इसे हम करेंगे prone position में, so lie down on your belly. Make sure that you're relaxed, legs straight, keeping your right elbow exactly where it is. Bring your left hand back and try to push the heel down into your hip. You'll feel a very good stretch in the front of your left thigh. Ardhbhekasana, or the half frog pose. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. And relax. एक बार फिर से repeat करेंगे ardhbhekasana on the other side. Keep your left elbow exactly where it is, balanced. Bring your right hand back and using the force of your elbow, push your right heel into your right hip. And relax. So guys, ये थे हमारे आज के आसन्स. अब हम करेंगे कुछ breathing exercises. आज की हमारी first breathing exercise है easy breath. As the name suggests, it is very easy to follow. In through the nose to the count of 4, hold to the count of 2, out through the nose to the count of 4, hold to the count of 2. So, let's do it for up to 2 minutes. In through the nose to the count of 4. Hold for 2 counts. Breathe out through the nose for 4 counts. And hold for 2 counts again. Repeat this cycle. And relax. आज की हमारी आखिरी breathing exercise है Ujjayi Pranayam, also known as bee's breath. So take your index finger and place it on your forehead. Take the rest of the 3 fingers and use them to close your eyes, and use your thumbs to close your ears. Take a deep breath in through the nose, out through the nose with the nasal M sound. Relax. So guys, ये थे हमारे आज के movements and I hope that you're not too tired. Consistency is the name of the game here. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. So please take it easy and give your body a chance to heal. Do subscribe to the Dainik Savera YouTube channel for cutting-edge fitness challenges. Happy healing!